We're super excited here at SAKEBOMB Garage to share this clip of TJ Hunt installing our new dual smart oil cooler system on his VeilSide FD RX-7. Thank you so much to TJ and your team for featuring SAKEBOMB Garage products on your channel. We appreciate it very much and can't wait to get more products on future builds.
So today we're going to install the SAKEBOMB oil coolers. Supply brackets, oil coolers, thermostat, the oil lines, pretty much everything to get this as simple as it can go.
And I also want to give a shout out to SAKEBOMB Garage because one, we've ordered a lot of stuff from them over the past because they make so many great RX-7 parts that are like proprietary for RX-7s. But these coolers are really rad because one, they're dual coolers. They're much larger than normal, but the thermostat housing is integrated to the actual cooler itself, which is super unique. I've never seen anything like that before.
Modular, so you get to, depending on the size of the oil cooler, you change the center flute. It's an integrated thermostat. Instead of having it relocated somewhere else in the engine bay, it's actually on top of the oil cooler, so it makes it way cleaner.
That's sick. That is super rad. Have you used a lot of these in the past?
Yeah, I've used them a lot. Usually when you have thermostat relocated somewhere else in the engine bay, it's bulky, lines are in the way, and this keeps everything nice and tidy. Everything's compact right here.
With the Bridgeport, everything shakes, and the half came loose.
Yeah.
It doesn't rattle or come loose. This is solid to the car, so it's way better design.
And our oil coolers look sick. SAKEBOMB oil coolers, dual. I'm scared about that fitting over the VeilSide bumper. I don't know about you, but I knew from the very beginning, they actually had a larger option. They have like a 26 row and like a 21 row, or maybe it was a 19 and a 25. I don't know, but we went for the smallest row option. It looks huge.
Yeah.
I don't know. It should fit.
Yeah.
Let's just say the VeilSide kit's not built for functionality.